Hello. Hello. So, so what do you think about that? I want to get a word from you. Trying to get an exclusive interview. We're trying to get an exclusive interview with this bird. He said that he was going to be in the. That's exactly what. For real. I mean, that's what I thought. Huh? Oh yeah. But what he's trying to tell us is that he was kicked out of the movie Rio, and he feels cheated for not seeing the royalties. Um, now, what was that? Now I'm kind of not thinking that this bird was kicked out of the movie Rio. He might be possessed by Satan because of his ability to speak. What do you think? Exactly. Words from a lost bird. This is just. Oh yeah. He's just talking crazy talk now. Watch my mouth. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. This bird just told me to wash my mouth. I'm getting kind of